Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smita. Welcome to my channel. So I'm attending an Indian wedding this morning. It's a very traditional wedding and green is the theme. And I had to get ready anyway, so I might as well do it on camera. And I also think it's a lot of fun because when I show you makeup tutorials on YouTube, I feel like they're very detailed and I cut down everything step by step. When I actually do makeup on myself, I try to take shortcuts and I try to make it really quick. So if you can spot those differences, do let me know in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get started. I barely ever use a pomade on myself because pencils are really quick. They're probably the quickest. I'm using the Goof Proof in number 6. This is from Benefit. I'm using the LA Pro Conceal in Creamy Beige as a base for my eyeshadows. I'm also going to clean up the lower border of my brows with this. And then I'm going to quickly set it with some loose powder to prevent it from creasing. I received a bunch of new products from O2O, so I thought I might as well use it because I think they also have a big sale going on tomorrow, for which I've listed the link in the description box below. I'm going to be using their Ocean Mystery Palette. First, I'm taking grit to warm up the crease. I'm building a halo eye, so I'm going to be using this in the outer and inner corners and then join them through the crease and blend everything out using a blending brush. Next, I'm going to place alga in the outer and inner corners using a packing brush from the Earthy Vase, and then I'm going to start slowly buffing it out towards the center of the lid. And then right in the center, I'm going to place gold with my finger for that pigment payoff. And then I'm slowly buffing out the edges so it looks seamless. I'm using Hyalene to highlight my brow bones before I move on to the base makeup. To prime, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm going to quickly warm it up on my fingertips and apply it. I want a long wearing foundation, and for that I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in 108. This is medium coverage but buildable to full coverage, so that'll help me with fixing all my dark circles and dark spots. I'm skipping the whole color correction process here because I'm getting late. I can still see a bit of my dark circles peeking through, so I'm going to use the LA Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Creamy Beige on top of the foundation just under my eyes, and I'm going to quickly blend it out with my finger. And now I'm going to quickly set my entire face with the O2O pressed powder. I'm going to start with under my eyes because that's where I apply the concealer and it tends to crease. And then I will set the rest of the face. In my waterline, I'm going to be using a black eye pencil, and of course it's going to be Jordana Easy Liner in black. Throughout my lower lash line, I'm going to smoke out alga with a small definer brush, and I'm going to make sure my outer corner is joined with my lid just so there's some continuity. I'm quickly applying mascara. This is the O2O Gold Mascara before I use falsies, and the one that I'm using is the Black Label Lashes in Brazen. To add some warmth to my face, I'm going to be bronzing it using this shade from the O2O Rose Gold palette. I'm actually going to be also contouring with this because it doesn't have a shine. So I'm going to use it in the usual places where I contour my face. For blush, I'm going to be using a very light peachy pink toned shade, again from O2O. And to highlight, I'm going to be using this shade from the Rose Gold palette. Because my eye makeup is quite intense, I decided to go with nude lips because I like to balance things out and I want the focus to be on one thing. So I'm going to be using the O2O Nude Lipstick in number 8. This has two sides to it, a bullet lipstick side and a liquid lipstick side, and I'm going to be using the liquid lipstick. And I'm going to spritz myself with some L'Oreal setting spray just so my makeup stays longer. If you haven't washed your hair like me in a couple days, the easiest thing to do is a bun. And because I'm attending a traditional wedding, I'm also going to decorate it with some gajra. All that I need now is a small bindi and big statement earrings. I'm going to link the store to these earrings in the description box below. And here is the completed look. Let me know your thoughts by commenting below. And if you spotted any difference between how I show you makeup versus how I do it on myself, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video and if you want more of Get Ready With Me's, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products in the description box below. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new tutorial. Bye guys.